I'm Matthew Tinker, I'm the Head of Innovation for Pepper Group. I came to work with Mindfields after looking at going through an RPA journey for our business and implementing a series of automations. So as I investigated further and found some material that Mindfields had published and the previous parties that they had worked with in the financial services industry, which was extremely appealing for us, I reached out to Mindfields and their team, and I was very surprised to find that they were able to attend our offices on the same day that we contacted them, and then they were quick to be able to get up to speed with our business, understand what we were after, and then propose a proof of concept. When they did that, I was then even further surprised by the fact that they were agile enough to be able to manage their resources in order to start that proof of concept a week following their initial investigations. The Mindfields team were great. They were well informed about RPA, obviously well skilled in the technology. They had previous experiences with both large and equivalent sized organisations, which they were able to bring into our business to ensure that when they were doing our implementation, that they were learning from their prior implementations and they knew what was going to work best for us. We were able to get those different technologies benchmarked against what our business required. We obviously then got the proof of concept, which was able to prove that that technology worked for our business and with one of our real life processes. And then once we were able to prove that, we engaged Mindfields for the implementation of RPA in our business. And part of that included the training services. So there was a series of our team members that were trained in the RPA technology, how to use it, what to look out for in terms of the types of processes that they were able to automate. And so that all formed part of the training package. And then the implementation package was a piece of work that was done in terms of reviewing all of our processes, analysing what was available to be automated, prior to then engaging for the last bit, which was the actual development of the automation and then the implementation into a production environment. My experience with working with Mindfields was fantastic. They, as I said, they were very engaged. They understood what we were trying to achieve. They were very informative as to what their best practices were and their experiences that they had had in the past, which really helped us get a bit ahead of the game in terms of bringing ourselves up to speed with RPA prior to progressing on the journey ourselves.